dancers, everybody, audience and friends and family. This is the finals of SUO, Singapore Qualifiers, student category. On the judges' left, we got last year's champion, we got Daniel. Going against Daniel, we got from SMU and foreign bodies, we got Steph. Remember the names because this is the future generation. DJ Psyk, let's take it away. Check, let's go. Who wants to go first?
Eat what you got till you get what you need, y'all. Give a lot just to get what you need sometimes, y'all. Give it a bit now. I feel like busting loose, busting loose. Give it a bit now.
Yep.
I feel like busting loose, busting loose, busting loose in the evening. Busting loose can be pleasing. Singapore Qualifiers 2025. This is the second volume. On the judges' left, we got Steph from SMU. And we got Daniel, who is last year's champion. Daniel is dancing for his mom
and Steph is dancing for the brother. Is it gonna be PS5 or Dyson? Only one person can make the decision. Judges, everybody drum rolls please. Your champion for student category for SUO Qualifiers Singapore 2025 is 3,